I'm going to show you an exercise which works your acromioclavicular joint. The joint is just here, kind of at the front of the shoulder. It's actually the joint between the collarbone or the clavicle and the acromion, which is the big scoop-shaped part at the end of the top of the scapula. This is a really important joint. A lot of force and load goes through it. Whenever you pick anything up or load through your arms, like in a press up or leaning or pushing against something, force goes up your arms and it has to travel through this joint and then along the clavicle in order to get to your torso, your axial skeleton. So anytime you use your arms, basically, you're loading this joint up. And if it has been injured, a bit overloaded, if the joint's a bit irritated, maybe there's some inflammation in there, then the way to get it better and calm it down is by reintroducing load to your shoulder and to your ACJ, but in a controlled way that you can gradually build up so that it can tolerate more and more. So that's what this exercise is about. You need to find yourself a table, somewhere that you've got a little bit of space and you can lean down on one side. We're going to be working on this shoulder over here. You need something, a bit of weight to hold in your hand, like a bottle. If you're going to a gym, you can gradually increase the weight in this. If you're not going to a gym and you're just at home, you can use like a bottle of water. Start with it half full, gradually get it bigger and bigger and bigger, so it's heavier. Standing, feet 1 foot forwards, 1 foot backwards, one hand on the table so you can lean yourself forwards, because you really want to bring your body weight forwards, and that means that when you reach down to start the exercise, your shoulder will actually be at about 90 degrees. So it will be loaded up here, but you're kind of going down against gravity. And then we're going to draw backwards through the elbow. So the elbow is going to bend, drawing the elbow all the way back and pulling up. And then slowly coming back down again. Drawing back, lowering and releasing forwards. Drawing back, lowering and releasing forwards. And you can be rotating a little bit with it, but actually it's all about getting your shoulder back and forwards and getting your clavicle is going to be rotating forwards like this and then rotating backwards as you reach forwards. It will be rotating backwards, and then as you reach backwards it'll be rotating forwards. And it's this rotation of your clavicle which is helping to get that joint a little bit more mobile, and you're putting force and load through it, so it's going to be helping it be more tolerant. If you're at a gym, you can use like a cables machine in front of you, drawing back and forwards like this as well. Good luck.